Welcome everyone. My name is Joelle and this is your short morning yoga practice featuring lots of twists today. So a wonderful way to stretch out the entire body, stimulate the digestive juices, and get your energy levels up for the rest of your day. So let's get started in a child's pose. Sitting back towards your heels with the knees as wide apart as you would like. And walking the upper body forwards. And you can let the forehead rest down. Might give a little press of the hands into the mat, just to sink those hips a little bit closer towards your heels. And then prop the right hand up onto fingertips. Lift your forehead up slightly just so that you can weave that left arm over towards the right, coming into a twisted child's pose. And take a few deep breaths here in and out through the nose. See if you can perhaps crawl those right fingertips a little bit further, left fingertips a little bit further away. And then on your next exhale, press the right hand into the mat. Lift your way up and we'll simply switch sides. Right hand weaves underneath the chest, twisting towards the left. Maybe coming up onto those left fingertips. And take a few deep breaths here. In and out. Through the nose. Very nice, pressing into the left hand, lifting yourself up once more and just close off your knees. So we're sitting back on the heels. On your next inhale, sweep the arms up towards the sky and exhale to twist towards the right. So left hand is holding the right knee and the right hand is holding onto your back feet to help you to twist that little bit further. On your next inhale, sweep the arms back up towards the sky, return to center, and exhale other side, holding the outside of the knee and the outside of your right foot. And we'll just take one more on each side, flowing with your breath. Inhaling to center, sit up tall. Exhale to twist right, looking over the back shoulder. Inhaling back to center. And exhaling over towards the left. And then bringing yourself back to center, we'll come to an all fours position, planting the hands underneath the shoulders and the hips squarely over the knees, and bring your right hand to the back of your head. Inhale, open up towards the right, point the elbow towards the sky, and then exhale to tap the left hand with that elbow. Let's take two more like this. Inhaling to open up. Exhaling to twist and tap. And last time. Tapping it down. And the second side. Plant the right hand. Left hand comes behind the head. Inhale, open yourself up. Exhale, tap the right hand with that elbow. Two more. Tapping it down. Opening on the inhale. And closing off on the exhale. Really nice. Plant both hands down. Tuck the toes of both feet. Start to walk yourself back, lifting the knees. And ending up in a ragdoll fold towards the back of the mat. So the knees are soft here. You can sway a little bit forwards and back, or you could hold opposite elbows to sway side to side. Releasing through the lower back. And then plant the fingertips of your left hand towards the center of your mat, so directly beneath your face. We're going to inhale to open up through the right arm, bending generously into the left knee as you go. So you could reach that right arm tall. You could place the right hand to the small of the back. Or you could snuggle those fingers to your inner left thigh for a half bind. Wherever you are, let's take one more deep breath here. And exhale to release. You could shake yourself off a little bit. Before coming over towards the second side, right fingertips plant beneath the face, bend into the right knee, straighten into the left leg. As you inhale that left arm up tall, either staying here, touching your low back, or catching hold of the inner right thigh with that left hand. Really think about opening up through that top shoulder. Last deep inhale. And exhale. Release. Wonderful. Bringing both hands back to the mat, walking yourself forwards, very slowly coming towards plank pose. Pressing the heels back away from you. A little bit of strength here. Come into a right side plank. So swiveling both feet over towards the left, keeping them staggered. Press into the left hand to pull the right arm up towards the sky, holding here. And coming directly over to the second side, left hand plants. Spread through the fingers, push the mat away, lift the hips, lift the top arm. And then set that left hand down. Wonderful. On your next exhale, bring the right knee towards the left elbow. Get it as close as you can. Set it back. Second side, left knee to right elbow, maybe a little tap. And set it back. Hold here for just one more breath. Squeeze the abs, tuck the tailbone. And exhale to child's pose. Setting the knees back down, sitting yourself back. And resting the forehead down. Let's roll ourselves back up to all fours. Step the right foot forwards into a short lunge and inhale yourself up tall. Squeeze through the back glutes. Inhale the left arm up towards the sky and exhale to twist yourself back, bringing the right hand to the right hip to press yourself a little bit further. You could stay right here, or you can tuck the toes of the back foot and see if that right hand can find the back heel as you straighten through that front leg. Little balance challenge here. Final inhale wherever you are. And exhale. Swim your way forwards. Left hand plants down. Lift your back knee as you extend the right arm up towards the sky. Easy twist. And then lower the back knee. Place the right hand onto the front knee. You could stay right here, or you could also hook your left elbow over that front knee and look over the back shoulder. One more breath. And then exhale. Return both hands to the mat on the inside of the foot, coming back through hands and knees. Give yourself a little bit of a shake. As we come towards the second side, step the left foot forwards, that short lunge. Raise yourself up. Inhale the right arm up towards the sky. Left hand finds the waist or the left hip. And start to lean yourself back, sort of at a diagonal here. You could stay right here, reaching the right arm long, or you could tuck those back toes. See if you can find that heel as you straighten through the front leg. Last inhale. And then exhale into that easy twist. Plant your right hand, lift the back knee, and reach that left arm. Wonderful. Lower the back knee, bring the left hand to the front knee, pressing yourself open, or hooking the right elbow to the outside of the knee, looking towards your back wall. And then release. Coming back to an all fours position, finding your child's pose for just a few breaths. And then lifting yourself back up, finding any comfortable seat. Close the eyes for just a moment. Give yourself a little bit of a shake. And final twist here. Inhale the arms up overhead. Exhale, twist yourself towards the right. And coming back through center on the inhale. And exhale towards the left. And release. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this practice. I enjoyed practicing with you. If you like classes just like this one, you might like to join my 10-day morning yoga challenge, which you can find in the first link in the description box or by clicking directly right here. Have a beautiful rest of your day.